you're experiencing login issues with CS2 and encountering error 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official game website or social media channels to verify if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your computer or gaming console can resolve temporary glitches. Power off your device completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available patches, as these can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 4. Verify internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, uninstall the game and then reinstall it. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login issue and get back to playing. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.